Welcome to Mampu AI, and in this tutorial, we'll connect your first channel and inbox. If your plan is ready, let's start setting up your workspace. Start from the Home Setup checklist. Each task guides you through the next step of your setup. For this tutorial, we'll focus on connecting your first channel. Go to Settings, open Inboxes, and select Add Inbox. An inbox connects your customer channel to conversations. Choose the channel you want to connect. For this tutorial, we'll use WhatsApp Business. Give your inbox a name and enter the WhatsApp Business number you want to connect. Select Create WhatsApp Business Channel. Scan the QR code using your WhatsApp Business account. Choose who should have access to this inbox. Your inbox is now connected. Now, send a test message from another WhatsApp account. The message appears in Conversations. This confirms that the inbox is connected correctly. Finally, return to Home and check your setup progress. Your first channel is now connected. You can add another channel later. From the checklist, you can continue with the remaining setup steps. Your first channel is now connected. Next, we'll create your first AI agent and conversation flow. Subscribe for next tutorial.